welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how to make a vegetable stew Kerala style. Now this is very tasty and it is very light, and you can add any veggies of your choice. I have taken like only 3 veggies. So this is like very tasty, and you can have this along with appam or idiyappam. You can see how nice it is. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients for our vegetable stew. So here I have 1 teaspoon salt, and then half inch of ginger chopped or grated, few curry leaves, 1 green chilli, and then 3 cloves, cinnamon, pepper powder, 2 cardamom, and here I have the thin coconut milk and potatoes. Now you can chop the potatoes into cubes, you don't have to cut it into stripes. And here I have cashew paste and beans chopped. Here I have the coconut milk, carrots chopped, and then coconut oil, and then onions. So let's get started. I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the pan. I'm going to add cinnamon, 1 bark. You have to use coconut oil for vegetable stew to get the aroma well. 3 cloves, 2 cardamom, saute it well until you get a nice aroma. Green chilies, curry leaves, ginger paste, that is grated ginger. So fry it well. I'm going to add a sliced onion. I have taken 1 onion, medium size. You should saute it until it turns like pinkish in color, like translucent, and don't make it turn brown. So it has changed color. So now I'm going to add beans to it. You can even add peas, but since I don't have peas, I'm just using beans, potato, and carrots. So saute this. So vegetable stew is made by slow cooking the vegetables in coconut milk. Now I'm going to add the carrots. Now I'm going to add the chopped potatoes. So I have just peeled and chopped it, I have not boiled it. Add salt for the veggies. Now to this I'm going to add the thin coconut milk. So this is the second coconut milk which I am adding, which is very thin, and I am going to add water to it, and we are going to slow cook it until the vegetables are cooked well. So I'll just cover and cook this for a few minutes. It's been around 5 to 6 minutes. The vegetables have boiled very well. It's very tender now. So check whether there is enough salt. So we just tasted it and there's not much salt. So we are adding salt now and mix it well. To this we are going to add little bit of pepper. So it's finished now. So I'm going to add the thick coconut milk, and we are going to mix this well. Now if it looks like watery, then you can add the cashew paste for a thickness. So we have added cashew paste. Now once it starts to boil, you should turn off the heat immediately. And even now you can check whether the salt and spiciness is okay for you. Check for salt and then you can add extra if required. It has started to boil, so we are going to turn off the heat now. We have turned off the heat. We are going to transfer this. Our vegetable stew is now done, so you can have this along with appam or idiyappam or anything of your choice. It's very light and tasty also. And the cashew paste which we added is not just for the thickness, but it also enhances the flavor. Thank you for watching. Do try this out and let us know if you liked it. Do share and subscribe to watch more of our yummy videos. Bye bye.